With over 500 kilowatts and over 1,000 newton meters of torque, this is the new Mercedes-Benz EQS 53, and I'm about to launch it.
Yo.
That was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Yo. Wow, that was nuts. I mean, you can't really explain the feeling of 1,000 newton meters of torque pushing you forward, but I think this is just a sign of how incredible the tech is going and the performance that you can get out of batteries. It's completely nuts. I mean, the way that this car and the seatbelt hugs you, the oral experience, everything all together, I think just, it's an awesome experience. And if you haven't had an opportunity to drive an EQ vehicle from Mercedes-Benz, do it now.